the answer to what causes that.
Yeah. I mean, and Jenny, I want you to answer this too.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
So when we see these deep red skies during wildfire season, what is this all about? What makes the sky orange? You have a few options here.
Oh boy. Okay.
All right. It's because it's orange hot. Or the sun died.
The sun died. That's one of our options?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Or Rayleigh scattering. Or it's Jenny's favorite color.
I mean, D is a good one.
Yeah.
But okay, what were the other? What is that? Rayleigh scattering.
She needs her glasses.
Yes.
I know. I do need my readers. What does that say?
The answer is E. The answer is E.
Rayleigh scattering.
Oh,
Rayleigh scattering. I'm going to go with that because I don't know what that means.
Okay. Good choice, Jenny. And you are correct. You are correct. Yes. So Rayleigh scattering answers a few questions. Why the sky turns orange during wildfires, and also answers the question, why is the sky blue? So when your kids say, Ma, why is the sky blue? You can say, well, Natasha said it's because of Rayleigh scattering. And that is the correct answer. Why? Because colors are made of wavelengths, and the orange and red colors have the longest wavelengths. So that's what penetrates all the way through the particulate matter from wildfires. It's also the reason why you see those deep red sunsets during the sunset hour. Of course, the sun is low on the horizon and it's passing through more of the atmosphere. So there you go. Seaside, 75 degrees right now. And you'll notice it looks pretty smoky and hazy out there. But so far your air quality in Seaside is actually in the good category. Most of this smoke is actually sitting aloft. It hasn't mixed down all the way to the surface, at least not yet for Portland. It's 86 degrees right now, so our temperatures are up compared to yesterday. We're expecting your sunset time at 7:36. Wind is out of the west now at just 5 miles per hour, so not much wind to really mix things up at this point. Your dew point right now is 51. Air quality advisory, that's in effect not until just tonight. It's in effect all the way until Thursday night. So what we have here is we have a change in our wind direction, our winds aloft and winds at the surface. But what's really important to note is that as we get to tonight, we'll have a stronger flow out of the south. As that flow comes up from the south, guess what we're bringing up from the south? We are bringing California's wildfire smoke right into our region, right up into the valley, which is why the air quality advisory will be in effect until Thursday night. Let's take a look at your air quality forecast. As we roll into tomorrow morning, you'll notice most of our foothills in that moderate category still maintaining the green zone, the good zone right here from Portland up through Longview and over to the coast. But you can see heading into the gorge, you enter that category of moderate to unhealthy, especially as you head into central Oregon down towards Bend. That's where air quality could enter the category of very unhealthy to even hazardous. Now, as we roll into the middle of the day tomorrow, we'll expect to stay mostly in that good category right here in Portland, as our wind direction will eventually switch back around. Also, something to note, this system right here, yeah, it looks really impressive, doesn't it? You look offshore and there's all kinds of thunderstorm activity likely to be happening, but offshore. So this takes us to about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. There's a chance to see some rain. Will we get enough rain to maybe squash some of these fires? Not even close. We might be lucky to get a few hundredths of an inch at best from that system. And then we're on our way to partly cloudy skies after that, saying goodbye to the rain and hello to a few more clouds and certainly some cooler weather. That's the good news, is out of all of this, our trend for temperatures is going to continue to move down the scale rather than up. Now tomorrow, we're expecting a high up to 86. Today, we're likely to get close to 90. Thursday and Friday, we're in the mid to upper 70s. We get to this weekend, we're in the upper 70s, and we continue on with the 70s theme all the way through next Tuesday.